Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss various dictionary methods, the methods that can be applied on dictionaries in Python. So let us start with the first one, that is clear method. So clear is a method that is used to make that dictionary empty. That means all the items in the dictionary will be cleared and dictionary will exist but items will not be there in the dictionary. So let us check it with a small example. For example, let me create a dictionary square and it's having the square of the given numbers. So the given number is a key and its square is the value. So 2 colon 4, then 3 colon 9. Now, so what is the purpose of this clear is to remove the items from the given dictionary. For example, let me call the clear function square dot clear. Now the clear function completely cleared the items, or it is making the square dictionary empty. Now let us print the square ones. Right, let me run the code. Yes, it is displaying a dictionary without any content. That means it's displaying the empty dictionary. So now the dictionary square is made empty. Now let us move to the next content. So the next content is copying. So copying one dictionary into another dictionary. So there are two ways to do copying the dictionary. Right? First one is you can use or call the copy function. So copy function is operating on a original dictionary and returns a shallow copy, okay, or a complete new copy of the original dictionary as a result. So now let us check how this copy is working. So now I have square dictionary and let me call copy function on the square dictionary and let me assign that newly created dictionary or a new copy of the dictionary into a new dictionary name, or it's assigned a new dictionary name square copy. So this is a copy. This is a copy of the original dictionary square. Now let us display both. So square as well as square copy. So print square copy. Now let us run the code. Yes. So this is the original dictionary and this is the copy or duplicate dictionary. Now what is the important thing you have to understand is when you are copying one dictionary into another dictionary by using copy method, a shallow copy will be created. That means one fresh new copy will be created and that copy will also be allocated memory in the main memory, right? So original is already allocated memory. When you create a copy for this, the new copy is also allocated the memory. The new copy is also allocated the memory, right? Now how can you prove it, right? For example, I am clearing the content of original dictionary. For example, let me call clear function on original dictionary. So square dot clear. Now this is the original dictionary and I am clearing the content, right? Now I am printing again. So print square and print square copy. So even if you clear the content of square, square copy will not be affected at all because it's a fresh copy, it's a new copy which is allotted its own memory. So they are completely different entities, right? Now let us run the code. Yes, to see original one, then copy is printed, then original one after clear is called, then this is copy after the clear call. Now the thing is the call on the clear function, call of clear function on the original dictionary is not affecting the duplicate dictionary. Duplicate dictionary still has the same content. Only the original dictionary is affected because they are on completely different entities. They have different memory locations allotted, right? Now let us move to next content, copying the dictionary using assignment operator. Okay, so instead of calling this copy function, you can create a new copy of the dictionary by using assignment operator. But what is the problem here is when you are using assignment operator to create a new copy of the dictionary, a new copy will not be created. So a fresh copy will not be created. Instead, for the existing copy, for the original dictionary, a new reference will be created, right? So two names will point to the same memory location that contains the dictionary, right? So let us check it. Now I am creating the dictionary. Instead of calling copy function, I'm just calling or I'm just assigning that original dictionary to the duplicate dictionary name, right? So this is the original dictionary, square is the original dictionary, and it is assigned to the duplicate dictionary. Now I am printing. Okay, now I am printing the original dictionary first, then duplicate dictionary, right? Now let me check it first. Now let me check it first. So run module. Yes. So original dictionary is displayed as well as duplicate dictionary is also displayed. But internally what is happening? Both square and square copy refers to the same content in the memory. That means for same memory content, different references are created. Now, what is the important point about this is when you are clearing any one of these dictionaries. Okay, when you are clearing any one of these dictionaries, the other will also be impacted because both are referring to the same memory location, right? So if you are operating on the dictionary by using any one of the reference, and that will impact on the other reference also, right? Because they point to the same memory location, right? So now let me clear the original dictionary. Okay, let me clear the original dictionary. So square dot clear, right? So I'm clearing the original dictionary, so the original dictionary will be made empty, but the copy will also be affected because of that, because both refers to the same copy, same content. They are not having different copies of the data, right? So both are referring to the same content. So that's why if you clear the original dictionary, the duplicate will also be affected. Now let me print both the dictionaries. So print square, right? Then print square copy. Now let me run the code again. Right, you see, this is the original dictionary and this is the duplicate. Now this is the original dictionary after clear call clear, right? So that means the original dictionary is cleared. Now when you are clearing the original dictionary, duplicate dictionary is also cleared because a duplicate is not created at all. The original dictionary had two references, that's all. So if you clear the dictionary by using the name square, then it impacts the same of square copy, right? Because they are in the same memory locations. Now you cleared it using the reference square and accessed it using square copy. Now the impact is on the same copy only, right? So that is the main difference between assigning or creating a copy by using copy method and the assignment operator. Now let us move to next content. Next content is removing an item from the dictionary. Okay, removing an item from the dictionary. So in Python, in a dictionary, if you want to remove an item, right, there are two methods possible or two methods available. One is pop, another one is pop item. So pop will remove one item. Pop item will also remove one particular item. Clear will clear entire dictionary. Del will delete the entire dictionary itself. So let us discuss pop method now. So pop is actually a method that will accept a particular key, the key that is to be removed. Okay, the key that is corresponding to the key value pair that is to be removed as its parameter, and it's removing that key from that or key value pair from that dictionary. Now let us discuss that. Right, I have a dictionary square now, and it has a square of the given value. So key is actually the value for which you find the square is a key, and square is the value. Now what I do is I want to remove a particular key value pair corresponding to a key. For example, I want to remove this key value pair. So what is its key? Its key is 2. So how can I call it? For example, square dot pop of, then the key corresponding to the key value pair you want to remove. Now 2 is the key corresponding to the key value pair I want to remove, right, from that dictionary. Now let me print it before pop. So print square. Now it will print all the elements in that dictionary. Now I am removing the key 2, key value pair corresponding to the key 2. Now let me print it again. So print square. Now let us check. Yeah, so initially it had all the key value pairs. Now after removing the key 2, that key value pair is completely removed from the dictionary, and now this is the updated dictionary without the key value pair 2, 4, right? Now this is how pop is working. But what is actually the pop item? So pop item is actually not taking any parameter. It is removing a key value pair from the dictionary, but it is not taking any particular key as its parameter. Instead, it's removing a random or arbitrary key value pair from the dictionary. So this is what the nature of pop item. It will remove an arbitrary or a random key value pair from the dictionary. But from the Python version 3.7 update, right? The pop item is redesigned to remove the key value pair inserted at last in that particular dictionary, right? So actually it was designed to remove a random key value pair from the dictionary, but from Python 3.7, right, it is designed, okay, to remove the key value pair inserted at last into the dictionary. Now let us call it. For example, let me call square of pop item. Pop item. Now what we expect is actually this is the original dictionary, and from this it will remove the key value pair that is inserted at last. So 3:9 is actually the key value pair inserted at last. Now let us check it. So run module, or let us display it. So print off, then what key value pair returned or popped by this pop item will be returned, and that can be printed now. So now run module. Yes, so this is the original dictionary, and now the key value pair removed is actually 3:9, right? So key value pair removed is 3:9, but actually 3:9 is the key value pair that was inserted at last into the dictionary. So pop item is working to remove the key value pair inserted at last into the dictionary. Now let us move to the next content. Next function is from keys. So what is this from keys? From keys is a method that returns a dictionary, new dictionary created with the key values specified in that particular sequence passed as a parameter. So it is taking a sequence. Sequence means a collection of elements, whether it may be a tuple, or it may be another dictionary with only values, right, or key values, right, or sometimes a list, right? It is taking a sequence of values as its parameter and forming a new dictionary by making the values in that sequence as the key, and none is assigned to the value, because this particular set of values you pass as parameter to this from keys will be considered as the keys in the dictionary. At the same time, the values are not provided, so the values will be assigned with the value none, right? So let us check it, right? Now what I do is actually I create a new dictionary, right? So let me remove this. I create a new dictionary, for example, vowels. Okay, vowels. So vowels is actually the sequence I am going to pass to from keys function as parameter. For example, I am creating the vowels as its values. Okay, right? A, then E, then I, then O, then U. So I have 5 vowel characters in this actually set, right? It's a set, right? So now I am calling this from keys function. Okay, I am calling this from keys function. So how the from keys function to be called is actually dictionary dot from key. So dictionary is the class name. Okay, dictionary is the class name. It's a parent class name of the dictionaries, right? So dictionaries, or dictionary dot from keys of, then it is taking this set vowels. as its parameter, and it is forming a new dictionary. It is returning a new dictionary. It is returning a new dictionary by using this character values, vowel character values as the keys, and corresponding values are just none. Okay. Now let me take it in another variable. Okay. For example, vowel dictionary. Vowel dictionary. So it is returning a dictionary with empty values. That means keys are there, but empty values are there. That means none is there. So it is assigned to vdict. Now let us print vdict. So print vdict. See, now yes, name dictionary is not defined. Name dictionary is not defined, and let us check it. Right, let us check it. Actually we have to call it using the class name dict, right? So let me call it using the class name dict instead of dictionary. So dict dot from keys of, dict dot from keys of vowels. Now dict is actually predefined class name for dictionaries, right? Now you see it's creating a dictionary with a set of keys, right? We passed as a parameter, and values none. Okay, so values none, right? So actually from keys is used to create a new dictionary by using the sequence of values, whether it is a set or list or tuple as its parameter, and it's creating the dictionary by taking that values in that tuple or list or any sequence as a key, and with none as the values corresponding to that key. Now this is about from keys. Now let us move to the next one, get method, right? So get method is actually returning the value corresponding to a particular key in the dictionary, right? It is returning the value corresponding a particular key in the dictionary. So for example, um, let me use the same, okay? uh, Otherwise we create a new one. So square the same one, okay? Square then equal to 1 colon 1, then 2 colon 2, then sorry 2 colon 4, then 3 colon 9, right? So this is actually the dictionary. Now let us call the get method or get function on this square. The square will call the get method with the particular key. For example, I want to find the value corresponding to this key 3. So actually this key 3 is having the value 9. So if I pass this 3 as its parameter, it will return the value corresponding to it. So now let me print it. So print of square of get of 3. Now let me run the code. Yeah, square is not defined. Okay, uh, square, so spelling mistake is there, right? So square, right? So now let me run the code again. Yes, it's returning 9 as a result. That means when you are passing a particular key as its parameter, it will return the value corresponding to as its return value, right? It's returning the value corresponding to the given key as its result. Now let us go to the next content. So next content is keys. So if you want to extract only the keys from the given dictionary, if you want to extract only the keys from the given dictionary, you can call keys method. Now let us use the same, okay? Or otherwise, let us go through one more method. Uh, Next one is values. Values is returning only the values of the keys available in the dictionary. So keys will return only the keys in the key value pairs, and values will return only the values of the key value pairs in the dictionary. Now let us demonstrate both here. Now print of then square dot keys. Now this is expected to return the key values, that means 1, then 2, then 3. These are the key values that will be returned. Now to display or to return the values corresponding to the keys, only the values corresponding to keys. Now let us call square dot values. Right? Now Let us run the code. You see, first it is returning, okay, the first call dictionary of keys is returning a collection of keys in that particular dictionary, 1 2 3, and values is returning collection of values corresponding to the keys in the dictionary, so 1 4 9. So these are the two different functions used to return or to extract only the keys or values in the dictionary. Now, if you want to display all the key value pairs, we have two ways. One is we can directly display the dictionary using print method. We can directly display the dictionary using print method, that will display the dictionary. Otherwise, if you want to have it in the form of key value pairs, right? If you want to have a combination of key value pairs as a tuple, right? So tuple is a collection of elements, right? So if you want to get the key value pairs available in the dictionary in the form of tuple, you can call items method or items function. Now, one important thing you have to notice is, suppose if a particular actually duplicate, okay, particular values multiple times. Keys cannot be duplicated. Key cannot be duplicated. So a key cannot have two keys cannot have same value, but two values can have same value, right? So if a particular value is there for two or more times, then they will be displayed or extracted as it is, or as many number of times they occur in that particular dictionary. Let us check that too. Okay, now I have the dictionary here, 112439. Now let me add one more thing. Okay, for example, again 4, just for example I am writing 4, right? Or sorry, 2, then for example, 4, you see, or 4 or 6, just for example I am writing. Okay, so here 2 4 is already available, here 2 6 is already available. So when you are displaying all the key value pairs in that particular dictionary using items method, so print of square dot items, what it will return is, it will return a tuple of all the key value pairs. It will return the tuple of all the key value pairs. And suppose if a particular value, for example, a particular key, sorry, value is, so here I mistakenly gave, for example, okay, one, sorry, 1 2 3 4, right? And here 4, again 4, right? So here the key cannot be duplicated, as I said, key cannot be duplicated. So here 2 is there only one time, but 4 is there two times. So here one time and here one time. When a particular value is existing multiple times, they will be extracted as it is, as many number of times it is available in that particular dictionary. Now it will list this 4 two times, okay, because it's available in the dictionary two times. Now run module. Yes, so it is displaying the key value pairs in the form of collection of tuples, right? So 1 1 2 4 3 9, again 4 4. So here what you want to understand is, the 4 is actually already available, and again it is available one more time. So both are printed as separate entities, right? So this is what about the items method in dictionaries. Now next one, and the last one to be discussed is actually update method. So update method actually, it is merging an existing dictionary with a new dictionary, an additional dictionary, right? Or a set of key value pairs, right? So if you want to club two dictionaries together, right, you can use update. So you have to call this update method by using the original dictionary or the main dictionary, and the dictionary that is to be added or that is to be connected with the original dictionary should be passed as a parameter, right? Now let us call this, okay, let us call this update method, and let us see. But before that, you want to understand, suppose if a key is already not there, when you are clubbing an additional dictionary with the existing dictionary, if the key, a particular key that is in the new dictionary or the additional dictionary is available, it is not available in the original dictionary, it is available in the new dictionary but is not available in the original dictionary, then a new key value pair will be created in the original, in the main dictionary, right? Suppose if the key is already available in the original dictionary, but you are assigning, you are giving a new key value pair instead of that, then the value will be updated, okay, instead of the original value. Okay, the value will be updated instead of the original value, right? Now let us discuss how it will work, right? So how it will work is, For example, if you have a original dictionary square 1, okay, original dictionary square 1, it's having a collection of squares, right? And then a square 2 is another dictionary, then that is having other set of values 525, so 25.0, 636, right? Here, one important thing is when you are already having 525 one time, and here again 525.0 is there, so key value is repeating, so here 5 is there, and in the new dictionary also 5 is there. In that case, what will happen, instead of this 25, for the same key 25.0 will be assigned. So no new entry for this 525 and 525.0 both will not be created, right? Instead, the existing 525 will be replaced with 525.0, right? So that is how it is how the update method is working. Now let us check how it is working. Let me create a code. This is the first dictionary. Square is the first dictionary, right? And now let me create one more square new. Okay, square new is actually the new dictionary I have. Uh, for example, 4 is already having the value 4, right? The key 4 is already having the value 4. Now let me replace it with the value 4 as 16. Okay, right? So that's the correct result, right? 4 square of 4 is 16. So now next one is 5 25, right? So first dictionary is having 4 elements, and second dictionary is having 2 elements. Now we can call a square, that's the original dictionary or main dictionary, dot update of the new dictionary. So new dictionary is actually square new, right? Square dot update of square new, right? Now you can assign it back to square itself. So square equal to square dot update of square new, right? So now what we expect is both will be clubbed. So 1 1 2 4 3 9, but here 4 4 and 4 16. So for same key, different values are provided. Okay, when you are clubbing it. So what will happen is instead of 4 4, this 4 will be replaced by this 16. So new value will be given for the existing key. That's all. And 525 will be there as it is. Now let us print the original, or otherwise okay, the newly created or newly returned clubbed dictionary. So print square. Now let us run the code. So invalid syntax, yes, colon is missing, right? Now let me run it again. Yes, right. What's the problem here is actually I'm printing the square, right? So instead what I do is I am printing here itself. So print square dot update of square new, right? Now let me run it. So none is displayed actually. Okay, let me check how it is called actually. So square 1 dot update of square 2. Okay, square 1 dot update of square 2. So square 1 is already there and square 2 is newly created, and square 1 dot update of square 2, right? So call the update method by using the original dictionary and pass the new dictionary as its parameter, and it will be updated, right? So original one is square and new one is square new. Now square dot update of square new. Now print square again. Let us run the code. Yes, now it is printing the clubbed dictionary square. So 1 1 2 4 3 9. So 4 4 is replaced with 4 16. That means key is not replaced, but the value corresponding to that key is replaced. Then another one 525 is added. Okay, so this is how you can update the existing dictionary with a new content. Okay, by clubbing a new dictionary with that, right? So now I hope that you understood the various methods we can use on dictionaries in Python. and keep on practicing and keep on programming. And if you have any doubt, and please text in the comment section, and subscribe the channel Program for Programmers by Felix. Press the bell button for further notifications. Happy programming. Thank you.